Will have a diaper bag. If not, I recommend buy one because it's really easy to organize stuff in it. I'm carrying this one with double shoulders so that it can go on back and my hands are free. Now things I carry there, it's not just bottles of milk, though I do carry about 3 bottles if it's a longer journey so that she's full. Milk which is prepared with whatever flavor you use, and a bottle of water also. I carry a lot of munchies. Now these should be varying in textures and in taste. So something sweet and soft, something just bland, something crispy like khakras. My preferred choice is makhanas because it's easy to munch like a snack, and god papdi because she loves it. It's heavy, it's made of wheat, it's sweet and it's nutritious. Now apart from just standard diapers and milk and stuff, obviously we have quick dry which is used to change, and wet wipes. But we also carry spoons for the baby, some medicines like crocin drops, and ideally also some mini size bottles of head to toe washes that saves a lot of space, and same size bottles for oil as well as shampoo, lotions. And Good morning, Saishu. She just woke up from her sleep and has started to get to work. Come on, drag your bag. Good girl. So for our early morning flights, we have her dressed before sleeping so that she can just be taken and put in our lap in the car directly. If when we were going to Kashmir, we had one layer of thermal on, so in the morning in the car after security we just added layers to her. That's an easy peasy way. Her socks, shoes, everything is in my hand baggage, so whenever we feel comfortable or she feels uncomfortable, we just put it on. She has no intention of going into the airport. She wants to exit. Come. See you.
You know how nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
What we also recommend carrying is a bead cloth, and a carrier is really helpful. This way what we do is baby is just hanging around having her own time while backpack goes on the back, and your hands are still free to go shop, check out stuff and have fun while you can. Watch out a Srinagar video to see how we shopped at Lal Chowk in Srinagar while carrying the baby in the baby carrier.
Bring the funk back.